Right, so what we have here is a kid's Crazy Train toy, which we have hacked to add some sound effects. So, there we go. Unfortunately, the interface for my phone is rather annoying. Let's just get that to go round. So, when you get train, I don't think you can see, there's some foil here and a little wire. When the train goes over it, we get an announcement out of the speakers coming from this little box of tricks that's got an Arduino inside it and a wave shield. So you can see the little kind of SD card slot and the connector through to the speakers. And the train's got stuck again. There's another one here which will do the kind of choo-choo sort of noise, and then just nice sets of crocodile clips to trigger the sounds.